This is Colin O'Keefe for LXPN TV here again at the 2014 Legal Marketing Association's annual conference. And I am joined now by Tracy Ray. She is the Executive Director at Barron Liebman in Portland. Tracy, tell me, you were speaking on how one-man legal marketing teams at law firms can be a bit more effective. And one of the things that I see a lot is legal marketers can tend to be almost bullied a little bit by lawyers. They face a lot of pressure and they face a lot of scrutiny. So how can these one-person marketing teams deal with whether they be stubborn lawyers or difficult lawyers? What can they do to make the relationship a little bit more smooth?
Colin, that is a great question. So I think that it really boils down to personalities, figuring out your audience and how to speak to people on a level that they understand. So find things that are interesting to specific individuals and get people that are willing to work with you on those specific tasks and use them as your thought leaders and as your champions so that you're not the only one preaching and or motivating, so that you can build a team around each initiative that you have. And don't ever feel bullied, because that's no way to work. So if you are feeling bullied or you feel like you don't have people on your side for whatever initiative you're trying to work with, the best thing to do is go to somebody that you can rely on and you can work with, so that you can figure out where you're going wrong, where you're going right, and focus on how to get people on board that will really just move the firm to a place of success and not just spinning your wheels.
Absolutely. And then second, of course, talking about a one-person marketing team, obviously you're working with a little bit less resources than what some people might normally see. So how can you effectively manage resources and manage budget when you're just a one-person legal marketing team?
That's another great question. So there are lots of answers, and that's the best thing about legal marketing. There's never one right answer. But one of the best ways to effectively manage your budget is to really figure out the things that you need versus the things that you want, and think about why you want to do something. So the best question you can ask yourself, whether it's a new website or supporting a big conference or sending money to whatever it is that you think you need, is what is the expectation? What do you want to get out of it? And is there a way to get those same results by doing something differently? I would say being active with something is much better than sending money towards something. So if you can figure out how to be present, how to build those relationships without buying a large spread in a magazine or buying a big conference sponsorship, there are other ways around it if you have people that are willing to put in the time and effort to make it more about relationship building than branding just based on getting your logo on something.
Certainly. Once again, that was Tracy Ray. She is with Barron Liebman in Portland. For more of our video interviews from this conference, be sure to visit us at lxpn.com/LMA. Thanks for joining me today, Tracy.
Thank you. Have a great day.